One of the desires that I've had in my heart for many years, and I think it's the same for so many Christians, is the opportunity to travel to Israel or to go to Jerusalem. And I've had this privilege, I've had this opportunity to travel with the man of God to Israel and to Jerusalem. Now, the reason is because somehow Christians just want to feel connected. They want to feel connected to Israel, they want to feel connected to Jerusalem, and that's wonderful. But think about it. In Christ, we have something even greater. There are two Jerusalems, one in the Middle East and one that's from above. And as a Christian, you belong to the greater one. Find out which is the greater one in today's Rhapsody of Realities. Join me today to become a partner with the Rhapsody Realities and help me send Rhapsody to 20 million people all around the world. I love you and have a great day. God bless you.